Well, starting today, unaccompanied children can now be expelled from the U.S.
Last week, a federal judge ruled against the Biden administration's attempt to exempt kids from Title 42. KENS 5 reporter Alyssa Tejas joins us live now. And Alyssa, already more than 1.5 million migrants have been taken out under the policy since 2020. Did they give any indication when it's going to start or if it is?
Good morning, Barry. Well, the Biden administration kept that Trump-era policy, Title 42, which allows migrants to be expelled under this new policy. It allows them to do so without seeking asylum or seeing a judge prior to their cases. This also applies to children, but previously the Biden administration declined to deport children as a result of this ruling. This was in an effort to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. Instead, officials have been transferring them to shelters run by the Department of State Health Services before they are eventually placed with sponsors. District Court Judge Mark Pittman ruled against the Biden administration last Friday, saying the Biden administration is violating federal law by making the exception for kids, quote, arbitrarily, and went on to say that migrant children who aren't expelled could spread the coronavirus. Pittman was appointed under Trump in 2019. The Biden administration responded saying that every child is tested for COVID-19 before they're placed in HHS shelters. A record number of unaccompanied children arrived to the U.S. Mexico border in 2021. More than 122,000 were transferred to HHS custody. On Thursday, the Texas Civil Rights Project, along with 300 other organizations, sent a letter to the Biden administration calling them to call off Title 42, calling it illegal and could pose a harm to some children. Now, at this time, it's not clear if the Biden administration will move forward with expelling children. Reporting from the Northwest Side, I'm Alyssa Tejas, KENS 5.